we need to set up the bracket behind the TV, and you want to do before drilling the ceiling. This is top, this is the bottom. If you miss anything here, just follow the instruction. That's how it's supposed to be. I am installing them upside down so the bolt won't damage the TV. But actually, it must be like this. Tied it all the way using Allen wrench coming in the kit. This wall mount supports from 200 to 600 VESA. As you can see, this TV is 200. Now we need to choose the right screws for these holes. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna use the spacer here using Allen wrench. Center the position of the bracket. This is very important. If you're not going to center it, your TV may tilt in the folded down position. Next, you will need to remove these 4 screws. The middle one, you will need to just release and leave it here. You're going to hook this mount onto this one, in the middle one. And then you're going to tie it up. And then you're going to put all these screws. Now it's time to check the wall mount, and let me show you something. So we're going to connect this one right here. The green light is on.